10 superfoods from the garden for a better you. Imagine having a garden full of vibrant, delicious foods that not only taste great, but also boost your health in incredible ways. These garden-fresh superfoods are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can transform your well-being. From leafy greens that strengthen your body to colorful fruits that enhance your mood, these 10 life-changing foods are essential for a healthier you. Today, we'll explore 10 amazing garden-grown superfoods and discover how they can significantly impact your health and happiness. Number 1. Spinach, the iron powerhouse. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable that's easy to grow and incredibly nutritious. Packed with iron, spinach helps prevent anemia by supporting the production of red blood cells, which carry oxygen throughout your body. It's also rich in vitamins A, C, and K, which are essential for maintaining healthy skin, boosting your immune system, and supporting bone health. Additionally, spinach contains antioxidants that protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. You can enjoy spinach fresh in salads, sautéed as a side dish, or blended into smoothies for a healthy boost. Growing spinach in your garden ensures you always have a fresh supply of this versatile and health-enhancing superfood at your fingertips. Number 2. Kale, the nutrient-dense leafy green. Kale is often hailed as one of the most nutrient-dense vegetables you can grow in your garden. It's loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, which are crucial for eye health, immune support, and blood clotting, respectively. Kale also provides a good amount of calcium and magnesium, supporting strong bones and muscle function. Its high fiber content aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy weight by keeping you full longer. Furthermore, kale contains powerful antioxidants that fight inflammation and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Whether you enjoy it raw in salads, blended in smoothies, or baked into crispy chips, kale is a versatile superfood that can significantly enhance your diet and overall health. Number 3. Blueberries, the antioxidant-rich berries. Blueberries are small but mighty superfoods known for their high levels of antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which give them their vibrant blue color. These antioxidants help protect your body from oxidative stress, reducing the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Blueberries are also excellent for brain health, improving memory and cognitive function, and they support digestive health with their rich fiber content. Additionally, they are low in calories and high in vitamins C and K, making them a perfect snack for maintaining a healthy weight and boosting your immune system. Growing blueberries in your garden provides you with a steady supply of these delicious health-boosting berries that can be enjoyed fresh, frozen, or added to a variety of dishes. Number 4. Tomatoes, the heart-healthy fruit. Tomatoes are not only a staple in many kitchens, but also a fantastic superfood packed with essential nutrients. They are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect against heart disease and certain cancers. Tomatoes also provide vitamin C, potassium, and folate, which are important for maintaining healthy blood pressure, supporting immune function, and promoting cell growth and repair. The high fiber content in tomatoes aids in digestion and helps keep you feeling full, which can support weight management. Whether you prefer them fresh in salads, cooked into sauces, or roasted as a side dish, tomatoes add both flavor and nutritional value to your meals. Growing your own tomatoes ensures you always have access to this versatile and heart-healthy fruit. Number 5. Broccoli, the cancer-fighting vegetable. Broccoli is a powerhouse vegetable known for its exceptional health benefits, particularly its ability to fight cancer. It contains sulforaphane, a compound that has been shown to reduce the risk of various cancers by inhibiting the growth of cancer cells and promoting their destruction. Broccoli is also rich in vitamins C and K, which support immune health and bone strength. Its high fiber content aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy weight, while antioxidants protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Additionally, broccoli supports heart health by reducing cholesterol levels and improving blood vessel function. Whether steamed, roasted, or added to stir-fries, broccoli is a versatile superfood that can enhance your diet and support overall health. Number 6. Carrots, the vision-boosting root. Carrots are a crunchy and sweet root vegetable with numerous health benefits, particularly for eye health. They are rich in beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A, essential for maintaining good vision and preventing conditions like night blindness and age-related macular degeneration. Carrots also provide fiber, which supports healthy digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Additionally, they contain antioxidants that protect your cells from damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Carrots are versatile in the kitchen and can be enjoyed raw, as a snack, roasted as a side dish, or blended into soups and juices. Growing carrots in your garden ensures you have a fresh supply of this vision-boosting superfood to enhance your meals and overall health. Number 7. Garlic, the immune-boosting bulb. Garlic is a flavorful bulb that enhances the taste of your dishes and offers powerful health benefits. It is well known for its ability to boost the immune system, helping your body fight off infections and illnesses more effectively. Garlic contains allicin, a compound with strong antibacterial and antiviral properties that can help reduce the severity and duration of colds and other infections. Additionally, garlic supports heart health by lowering blood pressure, reducing cholesterol levels, and preventing plaque buildup in the arteries. Its anti-inflammatory properties also aid in reducing inflammation throughout the body. Whether used raw in salads, roasted in savory dishes, or as a seasoning in various recipes, garlic is a versatile superfood that can significantly improve your health and well-being. Number 8. Bell peppers, the vitamin C powerhouses. Bell peppers are colorful vegetables that are exceptionally high in vitamin C, which is essential for a healthy immune system, skin health, and wound healing. They also provide a good amount of vitamin A, which supports eye health and vision, and vitamins B6 and E, which are essential for brain function and skin maintenance. Bell peppers are low in calories and rich in fiber, making them a great addition to a weight management diet. Their high antioxidant content helps protect your cells from damage and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Bell peppers are incredibly versatile in the kitchen and can be enjoyed raw in salads, stuffed with delicious fillings, or cooked into various dishes. Growing bell peppers in your garden ensures you have access to these nutritious and colorful vegetables all season long. Number 9. Strawberries, the heart-healthy berries. Strawberries are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that promote heart health. They are rich in antioxidants like anthocyanins, which help reduce inflammation and reduce heart disease risk by improving cholesterol levels and blood pressure. Strawberries also provide a good amount of vitamin C, which supports the immune system and skin health, as well as fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy weight. Additionally, strawberries contain folate, which is important for cell growth and regeneration. Enjoy strawberries fresh in salads, blended into smoothies, or as a sweet treat on their own. Growing strawberries in your garden ensures you have a fresh and tasty supply of these heart-healthy superfoods to enjoy throughout the season. Number 10. Basil, the anti-inflammatory herb. Basil is a fragrant herb that not only adds incredible flavor to your dishes, but also offers significant health benefits. It contains essential oils like eugenol, which have strong anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. These compounds help reduce inflammation in the body, alleviating symptoms of conditions like arthritis and promoting overall joint health. Basil is also rich in vitamins A, K, and C, supporting immune function, bone health, and skin maintenance. Its high antioxidant content protects your cells from oxidative stress and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Basil can be used fresh in salads, pesto, and sauces, or dried as a seasoning in various recipes. Growing basil in your garden ensures you always have this versatile and health-boosting herb ready to enhance your meals and well-being. And there you have it, 10 life-changing superfoods you can grow right in your garden. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it and drop a comment below if you know any other superfoods we should add to the list. And for even more gardening goodness, don't miss this video on 12 herbs you can grow in water. You'll be surprised how easy it is to grow fresh herbs without soil. And remember, life is better when you garden.